Hey, it's AP, and today we're opening a box. Check it out. A few weeks back, I placed an order, an international order, off of the 501st Pathfinder's website. And you probably have no idea what that is if you're a regular casual viewer. But this is something I'm very excited to get my hands on. It's come all the way from Australia. So to give you a little teaser as to what this might be. Back in 2017, I believe, I joined the 501st Legion as Darth Vader here in New Jersey. And back then, there were only like 3 or 4 of us. So it was great because, you know, we could split up troops relatively easily. And it was good. But then all of a sudden, there was like, everybody wanted to be Vader. And now there's like a dozen or so Vaders. And so if I want to keep on trooping with the 501st Legion, I need a new costume because troops fill up relatively quickly. And so I went to my second favorite character in Return of the Jedi. It actually might be the third favorite character. But my second favorite character, which is the Scout Trooper. The Scout Trooper, you know the Scout Trooper. The Scout Trooper, they were on Endor. They had the cool kind of boxy shaped buckets and they rode the speeder bikes. And who didn't want a speeder bike in the 80s? I mean, those were cool, right? I still want a speeder bike. They were like the first time we saw a different version of the Stormtrooper, which at that point we'd had Star Wars, we'd had Emperor Strikes Back, and we saw the Snowtrooper, but this was like a big deviation from what we had traditionally known as the Stormtrooper because they were kind of like backpackers with their cool fancy binocular looking buckets and their speeder bikes and their cool little backpack thingies. So I want to be a Scout Trooper when I cannot be Vader. And years ago when I first started the channel and I was starting out on my 3D printing journey, I did print a helmet for the Scout Trooper and it came out pretty crappy. And I was gonna do a video on how to finish 3D prints and all that good stuff, but it's just been years and I have no appetite to finish this bucket. So it's sitting over there in my sad plastic crap bucket. Never to be touched again. I'll donate it or give it to someone who's doing a Death of Stormtroopers or Death of the Empire scene or whatever. And I don't want to print out a new one because I can easily print out a bucket on a small printer. I've done so in the past. In fact, I'll leave you a video on how to do that on small printers. But I don't want to print a bucket on a small printer anymore. And while the price of large format printers has come down considerably, you know what? I've just decided if I'm going to make the investment of time and money on a nice 501st approvable costume, I'm just going to let the professionals do it for me. So this is made not by AP, it's made by Mr. Steve Altmann in Australia. I will leave a link to his forum thread if you'd like to purchase your own bucket. I'm opening this for the first time. I went down to the post office this morning to pick it up so I could carefully walk it back. I'm not going to confirm or deny that I handcuffed myself to the box as I walked back from the post office to my house. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see what the bucket looks like. I'm so nervous. I don't want anything bad to happen. Okay, good. It's well packed. Thank you, Mr. Altmann. Whoop. And we've got lots of Australian newspaper. Oh, you see it? Ooh. I hope there's nothing in here. Oh, this is great. Oh my God, my very own. I don't know if there's anything else in here. We'll dig it open in a minute. Okay. All right. Wow. So you can absolutely see what this is now. Now this is made out of, I believe, vacuum formed ABS. And based off of what I learned from my fellow Pathfinders, this is one of the best buckets. Oh, it smells so clean and fresh. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, and inside, so the inside here is painted black, which is nice. And I'll probably line this with some headliner I have left over from the game table video that I did a while back, and I'll leave a video of that somewhere. But yeah, this looks beautiful. Inside is the chin strap. Ooh, it smells like fresh paint. Let's just carefully remove this. It's so shiny. Okay, and this goes like that, I guess. A little chin strap. Okay, and then it has decals on the back. Looks like a resin printed snout. And this should, I believe this opens. Does it open? Oh, oh my God! That looks awesome! Oh, I am so in love with this. Yes! Oh, man. And, oh, a little tight. Wow. And there's bolts in here, which I believe I can, oh, I can just loosen a little bit. Yeah, I can, okay. And then I can, yeah, okay, I see. No? Oh, I think it's, oh, it's Velcroed. Aha. I see. Okay, now let's loosen this up a little bit more. I don't want to scratch it. Oh my God, I would be devastated. Okay. Whoop. It's so my Vader helmet is, or bucket as they're affectionately called, is made out of fiberglass. And so it is very heavy on top of, you know, everything else that you're wearing. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'll just do a little gentle tightening. Doot, doot. So now, oh my God, that is so friggin' cool. Let's just tighten it a little bit. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna have to tinker with that. And then also on the inside, there you go. It says Star Wars limited edition helmet number 107. And I think it's a limited edition from the maker. It's not like a Disney thing or something like that. But yeah, wow, okay. This is a thing of beauty. Thank you, Mr. Altmann, for making a beautiful product. I cannot wait to work on my Scout Trooper costume here. You have been a great assistance in getting me started on a much larger journey. So, thank you so much for watching. If you are now inspired to start your own Scout Trooper build, well, then head on over to the 501st Pathfinder website where you can join the forums and get all kinds of information on how you can make your very own Scout Trooper They have all kinds of different troopers out there, but I'm focused obviously on the Scout Trooper. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, please. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it does help the channel grow. We do all kinds of fun stuff here. It's not just nerding out over cosplay. I do home improvement projects, making furniture, model building, prop making. It's a veritable what's what of DIY goodness over here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Now let's go get some Ewoks. Yeah.